this is Tiana Despain, and I will be showing the lab 4 test case. Our first test case is that we do not own all of the properties. Our next test case is that we do not have enough financial support. Our next test case is that there are not enough houses. Our next test case is that we will swap a hotel with the 4 houses on Pacific. So we do own them all. There is 4 houses, and 5, meaning there's a hotel. And then our next test case is the same thing, but with North Carolina. So, yes, 4, 5, perfect. And then our next one is that there's already one there, so we own it, but then there's 5, so there's a hotel on Pennsylvania Avenue. And it says there's already a purchase, or you can't purchase. I'm going to clear this out. Our next test case is that we're going to try to build it all at the same time. So we do own them all, but there's nothing on these. There are 3 hotels for purchase. We have $3,000. There are 12 houses for purchase, and that is the total cost to buy all of them from scratch. And our last test case is as follows. One hotel for purchase, we have $5,000, and there is 3 houses for purchase. And there it is.